Welcome to Smart Repair Manchester, the Northwest's #1 mobile car body repair specialist. At Smart Repair Manchester, we bring the body shop to you, whether it's at your work, home or office. We cover the whole of Greater Manchester, Cheshire and Lancashire. Click the link below this video to request a callback at any time that suits you. We'll provide you with a free, no-obligation quote. It's simple and fast. From minor scratches and dents, bumper scuffs, polishing and buffing, mirror covers, to stone chips, plastic repairs, collision damage, and even alloy refurbishment. It's all in a day's work. There's no job too big or small. And because we come to you, it couldn't be easier. Take a look at these before and after shots to give you an idea of the standard of quality workmanship our mobile technicians carry out. This is one of the reasons so many of our customers keep coming back. We are proud of our reputation for outstanding mobile accident damage repairs. See how much you could save. For more information and to request a free quotation, simply click on the link underneath found in the video description. Leave your name, number, and we'll call you back at a time that suits you.